Hey, are you looking forward to work as a technical recruiter with Collabora? If yes, then there are few things you should definitely know before joining Collabora. In this video, I will give you detailed insight about the company and about the job profile. Hello everyone, welcome to Fresh Learning Academy. So if you are applying for Collabora as a technical recruiter, this video is a must watch for you. In this video, we will cover following segments. We will talk about the company, its selection process, salary, job description, and few of the important questions which could be asked to you at the time of interview. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. It is very important to know about the selection process. So the selection process involves presentation, online test, group discussion and personal interview. Don't get confused. Here presentation means company presentation if you are applying through campus placement. Or else for offline campus placement, there are only three steps: online test, group discussion and personal interview. You will get very easy questions in online test. It will involve English, basic aptitude, and logical reasoning. Do a thorough research about the company as soon as you will be shortlisted for the final PI round. Maybe there is fair chances that you could be asked more questions related to the company and you as well. So do a thorough research and visit their website. So what will you need to crack selection process and selection criteria of Collabora as technical recruiter? Before knowing that, please note down that first of all, the first step is to explore and do the company research about company profile and the job description for which you are applying. Here, the job profile is for technical recruiter. So, what is required? Excellent written and verbal communication skill along with proficiency with MS Office will be an added advantage. If you have learning ability, go-getter attitude, relationship management skills, and negotiation and convincing skills, definitely you should go ahead and apply for this profile. So now if your question is, ma'am, I'm not very good in English, will it be important? Yes, it will be. Why written and verbal English is must for this profile? Because you will be involved in writing and posting job descriptions using appropriate technical terminology. Effectively source, screen and interview applicants for technical skills and ability. So definitely written and verbal English plays an important role. You will arrange the interviews and provide travel arrangements, advise managers and employees on staffing policies and procedures. Talking about the package, the initial package which Collabora provides to a fresher for technical recruiter position is 21,000 per month plus incentives. Shift timing is US shift timing and you need to be adaptable to these timings. Very important to know about the job role and what will you be doing as a technical recruiter in the company. So your JD or so-called job description involves reviewing the job description, understand the requirement of the client and accordingly execute a search plan for identifying potential candidates to fit the requirement, scheduling, coordination and ownership of end-to-end recruitment cycle, building strong candidate relationship and credibility to leverage their trust for getting referrals. You will also be sourcing candidates using multiple channels like job portals, internal database, social media, etc. Few of the JDs will include these as well. Basically, there are just two checkpoints. They check if you can communicate properly in English or not. And second one is, will you really join if offered this role as it is a night shift job? Now, if the question is who should apply? Ma'am, we are from engineering background. Ma'am, we are from MBA. Can we join? Collabora is mostly for non-technical professionals, so questions which were asked were mostly related to determine your personality and character. If you are from engineering background, it is good for you to go for this company and this profile because you are a mix of technical and non-technical. For MBA student, if your specialization is MBA in HR, this could be the right profile to give a kickstart to your career. If you would like to know few of the feedbacks, then you should definitely visit few of the review website. Here one of the employee from recruiter at Collabora says that Collabora recruit for the client needs. Collabora have thousands of clients all across the world where a recruiter will source people from various job boards and social media and provide them to their clients. There is a lot of competition to get the best candidate for the new opening, so a recruiter needs to remain quick and active. This is what I have told you earlier in the slide as well. Now, if you have doubt in your mind that will there be any career growth as a technical recruiter in Collabora, then the answer is yes, of course. You climb the ladder if you perform well. Starting your career as a technical recruiter, your career ladder will look like this. You will join as a technical recruiter, could be promoted to senior technical recruiter, lead recruiter, accounts manager, resource manager, delivery manager, resource head, senior delivery manager, client partner, AVP, VP, and other titles could include MD and CEO as well. But one thing you should know is that recruiting is just a part of entire HR process. If you want to be a fully qualified and experienced HR, then you need to learn more. Make friends of various departments, employee relations, operations, and get trained well. According to the research I have done, let us talk about the salary insight. They do give you 21K, but earlier they used to offer 20K. Collabora salary scheme is 18,000 for the first 6 months and then 21K right now in 2021. And the work timings are US shifts, to be precise, 6 p.m. to 4 a.m. So don't you think that they are paying too less than other companies? If your question is this, then the answer is you learn a lot with this company. Also, answering to that question whether this salary is less, somebody from Collabora has replied that if you're joining as a fresh graduate, then this amount is fair enough to have a good independent life in Vadodara, Gujarat. Also, this amount is just the base salary, adding to which one gets impressive incentives based on the performance, and also number of opportunities within MNC's platform to build your career. If you are having work experience with Collabora, then you could get better opportunities in coming time as well. So now there are few PI questions which could be asked to you. Why do you think you are okay with this profile? Why should I hire you? What are your qualities? Why Collabora? Why thinking of coming to Gujarat? Where do you see yourself coming down 4 to 5 years down the line? Tell me any situation in your life when you were under pressure and you managed to make it. If salary is only 18,000, do you really think you are okay with it? Are you okay to work in night shift? Few more questions could be, why would you like to become a technical recruiter? Do you know how Collabora and it operates? Will you be able to sign 11 months contract and work in night shift? If you want me to answer all these questions, then do drop your comment in the comment box. There are few very important facts which you know about the company. Because this company is providing you extensive training to groom you to be the best technical recruiter, they invest a good amount of money on your training without charging you anything. So at that particular time they also ask minimum commitment of 11 months with the organization. Here you will be signing a training agreement of 11 months. So if you are fair enough, if would like to join this company, be ready to join and be ready to sign a training agreement of 11 months. So the terms and conditions are the employee agrees to undergo training as and when it will be arranged by the company. The training shall be conducted in-house, outside as per the discretion of the company. The employee shall, on completion of his/her training, forthwith return to the company and resume duty, and shall serve the company for a minimum period of 11 months from the date of joining. The employee further agrees that in case he/she leaves the service of the company before completion of 11 months period, the employee undertakes to pay a certain amount as liquidated damages. So that's all about Collabora and the Profile Technical Recruiter. Still, if you have any doubts in your mind, please write the comment in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching Fresh Learning Academy. Stay tuned for more such updates.